The Amazon Basics Madison door lever 6-pack offers a cohesive, modern look with its clean, contemporary styling and matte black finish that suits many interior designs. Each lever is designed for privacy use, making this set ideal for bedrooms and bathrooms where a simple turn lock is needed from the inside. Installation is straightforward for most homeowners since the levers are made to work with common residential door preparations and a standard Phillips head screwdriver. The fully reversible design allows each handle to be mounted on either right-hinged or left-hinged doors, which is especially helpful when updating multiple rooms at once. An adjustable latch system lets these levers fit typical backset and door thickness combinations found in many houses, so they are compatible with a wide range of interior doors. The set carries an entry-level residential security certification, giving basic peace of mind while still focusing on everyday convenience and ease of use.